How to enable or disable show available devices on share panel in quick share on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, go down and tap on connected devices, then tap on quick share. Next, tap on show available devices on share panel. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off, switch it on. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your previous screen, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now when you share files, tap on the share button. Sometimes multiple devices will appear in your share panel, and you can choose where you can retrieve your files from. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.